Bohemian Bliss is a new collection from our friends at Hunkydory. And by the way, Hunkydory forgot to tell me about it, and one of our wonderful customers used that request button on the home page at Paper Wishes and asked me if we were going to have it. So I immediately put in an order, and it's here. So let me show you what this collection has. Number one, it has an idea sheet. And that's true of almost all of Hunkydory's products. And it just gives you some ideas to jumpstart your creativity, especially until we get around to doing a webisode. Now, this one has 110 foil die cuts. And what is different about this, look at the color of that foiling. It's just a beautiful maroon or burgundy, deep rose, whatever you want to call it. There are 110 foil die cuts. And of course, with every single sheet, you are going to get a foiled adorable scoreable sheet as well as a printed one. Now, everything that I'm showing you, there are 2 of each of them. So let me go here. Fortune favors the brave. May all your dreams come true. I believe in you. Isn't that really pretty? And again, a foiled adorable scoreable cardstock, and then a printed one to go along with it. Here we go. Love conquers all with heartfelt thanks. You're the best. Thinking of you. And these are, of course, foiled and die cut. And then here is the foiled sheet. You can see that glimmer down there. Isn't that pretty? And then also the printed one. And here is the last one with all that foiling. Such a beautiful color. And then this is the one with the foiling on it. You can see that flash along the edge. And then this is the other one. So that is the basis of the Bohemian Bliss. But then we also have cardstock. It is called Adorable Scoreable. And there are 30 sheets. There are 10 colors. You're going to get 3 of each one. And let me show you what they are. So here they are. We've got the light pink, and if you kind of looked at the colors, you'll see them all duplicated here. And this is a heavyweight cardstock. It is their Adorable Scoreable brand. You can see the blacks, the dark greens, the browns, the tans, and the medium greens. All of these, you're going to get 3 of each. So that makes it a really nice value. Then we also have the inserts, and the inserts, you're going to get a total of 36. You're going to get 3 of each one, and there are 12 different designs. So let me quickly show you what they look like. Again, it's going to be the artwork that's in the card collection, but it's going to be ghosted back, and that's done purposely because it just works so well, not only on the inside of your cards, but often on the front too. Now, they've started doing these all over patterns. It's kind of getting blown out on the camera, but it's a soft, soft pink. This is an all over tan, and then we have more of the artwork, and just really very useful. And to get so many of them, you can just find lots and lots of uses for that. This again is the Bohemian Bliss luxury inserts. One of my favorite things is the parchment when they have it. They don't always have it. So you're going to get 8 designs, and that's a big collection, and you're going to get 2 of each one. So look at that. Parchment, you might think of it as vellum also, although it's a little bit sturdier than the vellums that I'm accustomed to. So all over patterns or selected patterns, it just depends on what they choose. And you can see that it just makes a beautiful collection, very useful, not only with this Bohemian Bliss, but I think you'll find lots of uses for it. So again, you are going to get 2 each of those 8 designs that I just showed you. And then finally, we have an 8x8 paper pad in the Bohemian Bliss. Now with this, you're going to get a total of 48 sheets. There are 12 designs. You're going to get 4 of each one. And as I can show you, they are double-sided. So as I bring them in, I will just flip them over just so that you can see that. Here we go. and more. So again, it is the artwork, but it allows you to do some different things. And because you get 4 of each one, you might want to do a paper towel. Whoops, let's turn it that way. Or you could just do whatever you like, but lots of use, especially with that adorable scoreable pack and the parchment. Well, I guess it all just really works together, doesn't it? And here's the last one. Okay, Bohemian Bliss is the title. Everything coordinates and everything is just wonderful from our friends at Hunkydory.